Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your YouTube video intro. So it's something at the beginning of your video that shows what brand you are. And to do that, you want to click log in and then sign in with Google. And then click your Google account. And that's it. And then you want to make a username, which we're going to do YT example. Or we can do it the name of our YouTube channel. And then you can just do, well, you don't have, this is optional, so I'm not going to fill this in. Create account. Okay, so now you've made an account, and now you want to click Clip Maker. And then you want to scroll down, and then click More Creations. Now you can find something that you want your intro to look similar to. So I'm just gonna pick a random one, like this one looks good. Click it, open in Clip Maker, and this is what it looks like in when you're editing and stuff. But you want to click this eyeball and play it.
Last Christmas, I gave you the very next day, you boom boom boom. This year.
Okay, so that was what it looked like, and you can go down and choose what you want. If you go to objects, you can change your name. So click this text, and then you want to change it to whatever you want. Tech. I'll just do it. So click tech. Click out of it. Then click that. You have to. These two have to be the same. So tech. Out of that, and this is tech channel. Go down. There's another one down there. Channel, and okay. Now that you finished your editing it, you can play it again.
Last Christmas, I gave you the very next day, you boom boom boom.
And if it looks good to you, then you can go down and explore these things. And audio, you can find a 10-second or whatever second song to put on. So I'm just gonna go to on Ouches top 10 free dubstep YouTube intro music, and you can click show more and download one of these. But I already downloaded one, and you can just click select. And this is the music. Just play it. And now that you've finished it, click this button, and you want to click good quality, change this to whatever you want, and then start video render. Allow, and I'll just skip this. Okay, so now your render is finished. Click below to download your video, and your download is starting. So we just need to wait, and it should start downloading. Yep, over here. And yeah, this is how you here. Let me see. Okay, so yeah, how you get your YouTube video intro, and thanks for watching. Share this video, like it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. See you next time.